I gave an AI bot $30,000 to trade stocks. Finance explained. I gave this AI $30,000 to trade for me, and what happened after that is kind of insane. So I've been playing around and testing an AI crypto bot called Stoic for a couple of years now, and it did incredible during the bull run, and it's done somewhat okay during the bear market. The team who produced this bot is a firm called Syndicator. Many data scientists believe that by using high-quality data and AI, they can construct a bot that completely dominates the market, and they've been working on this concept for approximately 8 years. They recently had what they deemed a huge breakthrough. They call it Stoic Meta, and they say it's everything they've learned over the last 8 years condensed into one tactic that's intended to completely dominate. The Syndicator Market AI employs a technique known as hybrid intelligence. It works by holding monthly competitions to find the best analysts available, and then the analysts with the most accurate predictions win a large sum of money. The Syndicator then feeds new predictions from these high-quality analysts into their AI. AI uses its predictions based on historical data and combines them with the predictions of these top analysts to try to predict what the market will do next. Based on these finalized results, Stoic can then deploy one of 200 different sub-strategies to try to profit from this prediction, and they claim that this strategy can produce strong returns regardless of market conditions. Are AI trading bots legal? Traditional crypto investing says that Stoic Meta had been deployed during this last bear market while Bitcoin was down 76%. Stoic Meta would have been down just 9% naturally. We have to expect that there is going to be some sort of AI product that does invest better than the average person can do. To use the Stoic Meta strategy, you must have a normal Binance account. Fund the account with $30,000, and I get to keep any profits made by Stoic Meta. For full disclosure, although the title of this video says I gave an AI $30,000 to trade stocks at the beginning of the video, the purpose of that is to explain the concept of this experiment. It wasn't me who invested $30,000 in this AI, rather it was a syndicator who invested $30,000 into this AI, which can then be perceived as a conflict of interest and could obviously skew my bias toward the results, even though I'm accurately reporting nothing but the exact results. The results I've gotten with the AI have been pretty insane. After my first month of using Stoic Meta, my account went from $30,000 to $42,969, a 39% gain in a single month. Keep in mind that Stoic Beta works by using an API to plug into the Binance account, so a user would always have control of their funds. Stoic never truly has access to your assets because you never put them in their custody. Instead, they use an API that lets the bot make trade orders and deploy different strategies. And I have complete access to the account, and I can observe everything that's going on. I could see that they didn't do anything unusual, there were no unusual deposits, everything profited from the Stoic Meta approach, which is incredible. How to make money by losing $300,000 in stocks? I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. For more such videos, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an upload from us. I was blown away by this. 39% in a single month is like having a real-life infinite money glitch. That's the most absurd thing I've ever experienced in my life. If it were repeatable, it would be essentially like unlimited wealth. But then I started comparing the gains too. Had I simply held ETH during that same period, what the difference would be if I'd simply stuck all $30,000 into ETH and held it and done nothing versus using the Stoic Meta strategy and held ETH at the same period? I would have made around 35%, which means that the Stoic Meta strategy outperformed ETH by only 4%, which is still amazing. Many people in the stock market earn 4 to 6% annually. So, if you know that the Stoic Meta strategy is outperforming each by 4%, that's incredible. My average made per month with Stoic Meta is around 19.5%, which is amazing given that there is still a limitless money problem. If I'm making 19.5% every single month, I'm going to be extremely wealthy pretty quickly, and compared to simply holding ETH, I was still up but only by 2%, which is still technically beating the market, and I'm doing it in a way that I'm diversifying my holdings, so it's not just an ETH. I'm holding a variety of different cryptos, but I was hoping it would outperform the market by more than 2%. It's difficult to criticize, but an extra 1% per month equals an extra 12% a year. And that can add up over time, over a 10-year period. $1,000 invested into a strategy that produced 19.5% a month would be worth $144 million at the end of that 10-year period. That's $1,000, 19.5% a month, worth $144 million after 10 years. Now, if you take away that extra 1% a month, That extra 12% a year and take that same $1,000 in over 10 years, it's worth only $59 million, a difference of $85 million from just that extra 12. I don't expect Stoic Meta to be able to maintain 19.5% a month. That would be absurd. Again, it's like an infinite money glitch level. I think that's an anomaly we're seeing over this. You know, the first initial testing period, but that's not something I think will stand the test of time and last long term. At least that's what I thought until I saw what happened in month 3. I expected it would drop from an average of 19 per month to maybe 10 per month, then maybe 5% the following month, and so on. But that's not what happened. In month 3, my total increased to $45,264, bringing my 3-month average total to 16, which is insane for testing something over 3 months, considering that most people in stocks are making less than 10% a year, and with Stoic Meta, over 3 months average, I was making 16 per month, and comparing that to holding ETH for the same 3 months period time, I would still be up beating ETH by about 3% or 1% a month, or 12% a year. Just like it had been the month before, which means that if this rate can hold up, which I don't think it will in the long run, this still feels like a fluke and that's just a couple of good months of returns, it should average out lower than the rate that's currently sitting at today. But even if it was at half this rate, it was at 8% per month and able to do so consistently. $1,000 invested at 8% per month over 10 years would be worth $836,000, and my $30,000 invested at the same 8% over the 10-year period would be worth $25 million. I'm really skeptical that even 8% a month long-term would be realistic. That seems kind of absurd to me. I think it'll end up averaging out a lot lower than that, but obviously I really know that this AI is a new technology. Maybe it's able to do sci-fi level things because it's sci-fi level technology. I don't know what the point of testing this is. We'll find out soon. I'm not going to keep testing this thing. This item, I'm not going to take any money out anytime soon, at least not for a year, maybe even longer, just to see how well it performs over time. If you want to check out Stoic, I have an affiliate link in the description. As always, none of this is investment advice, and none of this is me trying to get you to try Stoic or not try Stoic. It's just me sharing my honest, transparent experience. Obviously, past results aren't a future indicator of what will happen, so just because I got good results over the last 3 months doesn't mean the next 3 months will be similar or have the same results. That's not how life works. It would be fantastic if it did, but it's not. So make sure you do your own homework, understand what you're getting into, and never invest more than what you're willing to lose. If this video is helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any other legitimate AI investing tools or bots, let me know in the comments below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it to be notified every time I release a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.